defaultdict of defaultdict. Is there a way to have a defaultdict int in order to make the following code work? E needs to be built ad hoc, depending on x.a and x.b elements. I could use, but then I wouldn't be able to use.
Yes, like this. The argument of a defaultdict, in this case is lambda column defaultdict int, will be called when you try to access a key that doesn't exist. The return value of it will be set as the new value of this key, which means in our case the value of d_key_doesn't_exist, will be defaultdict int. If you try to access a key from this last defaultdict, i.e. d_key_doesn't_exist key_doesn't_exist, it will return 0, which is the return value of the argument of the last defaultdict, i.e. int.
The parameter to the defaultdict constructor is the function which will be called for building new elements. So let's use a lambda. Since Python 2.7, there's an even better solution using counter. Some bonus features. For more information, see PyModule, collections, container data types and Python documentation, collections.
Previous answers have addressed how to make a 2 levels or n levels defaultdict. In some cases you want an infinite one. Usage.
I find it slightly more elegant to use partial. Of course, this is the same as a lambda.